In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom workflow status in Jira. First, log into Jira and open the project you want to manage. Next, go to Project Settings and select Workflows. Now open the workflow you want to edit and choose Edit. After that, click Add Status or create a new status, depending on your Jira version. Enter a clear name for the new status, such as In Review, Waiting for Approval, or Ready for Testing. Next, choose the appropriate status category, such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. Now add the new status to the workflow and connect to the transitions you need. After that, review the workflow and make sure issues can move into and out of the new status correctly. You can also check the existing transitions to make sure your new status fits naturally into the team's workflow. Next, publish or update the workflow to apply your changes. Finally, open an issue and test the new status to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a custom workflow status in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.